Emma Oyakwaba Emma GC News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm Bremo. A KT or say what Kelly a JANDAM, a story someone for true and for don't remind Mahama. And Ukraine, KT Akels JANDAM. Now, what the assembly governor and Akida. Now, say the Bura and similar necessary, subscribe to the channel now necessary over subscribe. We are say over click a subscribe button. Now we barely notification. When a new video be also what's and there can be. After we are now like video, give us a thumbs up. Now fee share my offer first now we have been a war. Afi yoko a year and similar. A year KT was in the Wakile a year JANDAM stories are almost for fire don't drama Mahama who are angel of prayer against almost the Dana would buy no what told the Ama a year in New South Cinema and on one of the Baba year campaign. Just in some degree I knew prayer across 70 a day. I don't know how boy Ephson any Gabby and Akufo-Addo on a shit. I wanted to say money now. The detail to be a manual Emma Wadi and some good Nara Atuga. Yes, some in here and some year KT can tell I did the fire JANDAM homes and similar fire don't drama Mahama. KT and some.
And they almost said Mahama sold his Dubai hotel to Hussein in 2021 to fund his campaign. Almost 30 years ago, Mahama or Dubai hotel Dubai, no? Mahama or down Dubai. He said, "Almost yo, a dino Mahama tong or the ama Hussein." Now Hussein Mahama tong dynamite in 2021 and on this Asikarebe campaign in Kofo and Kwasiafo. Me see MPP omni message. Send out your MPP ni now so wako school people or chain with Jimmy. This is not a political party to follow. These are a group of termites who only think about themselves. They are a group of termites. Inti way a JANDAM omo boa ene de hotel na Mahama de o yesi haru inisa ifuseni mom na ene dia ena sisi ano yesi Mahama dia ena nansia na otonma inisa ifuseni 2021 oni nipa cross spread fake news no Ephson on say before election 2020 yetia na Gabby ko planted story UK foolish newspaper bi mu say Airbus end of the year campaign omni message makachem say we've held their neck. We held their throat. They cannot lie to any Ghanaian again. They are done. NPP and NPP, the way NPP operates, NPP has never had a message. In Tiana, yes, sorry, yeah. So Mahama Diana Dubai, Mahama Ton, Otoma, Inus of Husseini, 6 million. In Sesiano, 6 million, Mahama, and not the bear campaign, because Sianim Sika dear campaign. Unim sika ya dia campaign wini election Ghana. Mumbu se Akufo-Addo kwa campaign na oton ne papa fie no so oton ne sen. Message ni ho biem JANDAM is dead. MPP egu. Me say MPP enye political party o eye kuo. Eye nton. Omo nim eye nyanse bi de chichire mayo. Omo no party no munemu, omo nemu se ntwen. They don't understand governance. Internet there yesi Mahama dan waton na edana wo Dubai na MPP for say waton ama eden Inus of Hussein inti isi ano Inus of Hussein etua Mahama ka or the sikani ba be campaign hwenkwasiafo we no beso Ghana fo gina so to aba inti anyuro be ko obo NPP for platforms no this is the message hey young country Ghana for say Mahama omuni evidence o omuni fact be almost say some investigative report be almost they have gotten some investigative report be suddenly 8 years yenya investigative report and then yenya inti esiano report naba inti Ghana foi Asante foi mumudu duanu munhwe mamuntuma Mahama because say mumudu duanu mwajimi we na mugidi omudi ayam saade mabeduru ha. The NPP is a foolish party. It is filled with tribal bigots. It is filled with people who can't read and understand. It's a party filled with illiterates. Majority of the people who follow MPP, they are basically following MPP because of their tribe, not because of Ghana. And we need to override them. As a people and as a nation, we need to override these fools. If some of them will lose their lives, we need to override them because the past should guide us to protect our democracy. What happened in the past should guide every single Ghanaian to understand that democratically we can protect our democracy, and we need to override the oppressor. We need to override the selfish ingrates. We need to override people who think that their foolish tribe should be the ultimate priority of this country. We need to come together as a people and override these fools. Omni message biabium. It is done. Now the good thing is Hawa Muktari has released a statement to let Ghanaians know say this JANDAM will not stand again. Into this afternoon, the NDC, the John Dramani Mahama office, they have released a statement and they have sent a warning out. Me say, afiwe, bakubewu. JANDAM party MPP, omo Jimmy, omni message. Now for immediate release, John Mahama remains incorruptible. Yatina kroma. Sorry, yes, Mahama corrupt. Mahama corrupt, and so nobody can prove with any fact. They need to make sure. Me say, Debia Mahama and the Oko MPP for Nua. Oh Mahama, or your crown for that's why you're doing. I see at yes, or a crown for. Dear Mahama, yeah. Only evidence bia. Kwasiebia can't to trim. Now this is the statement from NDC John Mahama's office. For immediate release, John Mahama remains incorruptible and is 100% factual. There also evidence against Mahama so about Krono no famra. There also kuta evidence say Mahama about Krono ya bosrem kan ya mfa nchichire ma yo moa. Ya be correct obia. Na muntie. Accra, Ghana, Ephson and his tabloid news leaflets. See no wrong, hear no wrong, and speak no wrong regarding the failed and corrupt Akufo-Addo and Bawumia government. I almost say from John Mahama office, and this was signed by the spokesperson of John Dramani Mahama, Joyce Bawa Muktari. I say, sa pa no na efe no e de Ben Ephson no. Papa na ne tonka kranka kakransa phone no. I say on the party no and ne graphic na say the newspaper no tro no. On the MPP ne Bawumia wa ban no omo kwasi ade omo ye no Ghana and onka ho asem. On shada enye na adwene se obeboa Ghana abeka no kore amayehu sene nkofo we etete Ghana fo eba MPP nkwase ade na omugimini omunipakum omukunu Ghana eye John Mahama officer Ephson sa nyoma ne de ohu na nde Ephson akochekere atro e na ode ni newspaper no den publish atro sebio eni ngina so om se Ephson akwana ne to se pan no yekọ enim. Let me remind him and his colleague NPP editors that, unlike Akufo-Addo and Bawumia, President Mahama is incorruptible. NDC for a spokesperson for for John Dramani Mahama, Madam Joyce, or say, or person catch the MPP for any idea Akufo-Addo and Bawumia, any pan only a friend Ephson na, or using the newspaper editing quite some say John Dramani Mahama. In the history of the Republic of Ghana, nobody has been able to bring any corrupt case against him. Inti oka esimudia de ose Mahama sebio oye corrupt no o mechire Ghana for say Mahama e corrupt with evidence. Na oka CP John Mahama onji obi esika nwi obi esika fa ne sanka obi ade. We are still waiting. Say pan no e the evidence beba say evidence we na kire say MPP nkwasiafo your evidence John Mahama abokro no or corrupt. Joyce Bawa say John Dramani Mahama is incorruptible. Okore ni modwudwem. Despite the relentless and unfounded accusation the NPP has thrown at him, President Mahama has consistently emerged untarnished, a testament of his unwavering integrity. Joyce Bawa said, "Yenyina enim atra MPP for esheda ekato John Mahama so from time Ghana for hu nyansa da ne trim a opeso de beboa Ghana mpuntio senia MPP for hu se nyansa da ne trim no MPP ni bia ni wa sa nyansa ne bi da ne trim no omo hu se eye atra omutwa to no so ni nyina no ba kompo ni wa eka John Mahama ho ne etia ana so John Mahama akofa we obi ani wo the evidence ba ko ba inti Joyce Bawa ka kire eye MPP for say in some of my candidate John Mahama who went to many engines so ba akumpo engines no Emma John Mahama eye nipa den oginane na so Emma Ghana for the bua ese edema John Mahama akonenim no. The recent NPP syndicated story deviously using Mahama's name as a distraction is just another ploy to divert attention from the alarming state capture that is unfolding under this administration. Joyce Bawa said, "Send what is the MPP for a story bia enim no krebia nim a mama pan only a friend Ben Ephson a publisher in Kwasiafo to say MPP broadcasters and I say bloggers the idea nim to say Paul Ademochu mbeka ho asem na o say saa nyoma we nyina no omo de beto system mu se ne be ya omo de be da Ghana for e ma Ghana for musa Bawumia se ni message wen e ma Ghana for e musa Akufo-Addo Bawumia se nipa 8 no ku omo no wan na ye twena so omo se saa nyoma omo be ka fa Mahama ho omo de beto no Joyce Bauer se e ya de bi omo de be divert e de am attention aho kire e wo Ghana no omo mpe edwuma ma mbebunu no dum so na ye wo mu no endwuma nipa egu Ghana nipa bre petrol bua e wosoro dollar e wo 16 no omo pese omo sa be yesen e de sa stories a eni ngina so ba no mo de be da Ghana fo kwasiafo Joyce Bauer says san kwasi adwuma no mo ya enye adwuma biem JANDAM is dead. It doesn't Ghana for wa wo bete say eye NPP fo akofa story bi aba e de John Mahama di aba frafra ho e na Dubai oni nyina omo boa omo mpese mo bebuso omo nsem efiri so omo nim se Mahamud Bawumia ejimijimi ontumi enchechire Ghana omo nim se Akufo-Addo achechire ne ejimijimi wasai Ghana into omo pese omo divert attention ba moma ma adwene enko edien ade na echechire Ghana no mum se omo questions okọ nanim no dwedwemu I say the looting of state lands and properties has reached unprecedented levels and has been a topic of discussion in the past few weeks. This syndicated story is therefore just another diversion to distract public's attention. The public's attention. Joyce Bauer said, "Mo usan ansing ya chi omo pese omo ton eye Ghana nsase nyina." Eye Senate hotels a Ghana nyina ya chi omo ye ka ho asem eye krono a omo bo eye dollar akodu 16 eye Ghana ndwuma egu dum so a ewom Joyce Bauer say ye catch or catch them say saa nyoma ni nyina omo hu say muni aba ho a mubu sansem enu ntina ndoma kofa story bi a eni ngina so any source omo ana akokiki story no omo akohye story de ababa Ephson akwana ne tosa pan no e no beto ato nipem se ne be ya NPP radio for no any NPP journalist no e be so animu mum na omo jai eye Senate hotels na omo wia no ensase na omo wia no Ghana for na omo bu omo ku omo no ene se ne kro no omo bo no inti Joyce Bauer catch am se John Mahama say mumma moni nda ho na nkwasiafo ya kromfo eye Senate issue no mama mu yi moni mfiri so eye kro no omo bo no mama yi moni mfiri so samuti so omo bo John Mahama din o radio so na TV so a omo pese omo confuse omo pese omo daadaawo awo se mama ye nyina ye ni Senate eye ensase omo wia eye nipa omo kum eye Ghana economy na omo se no eye petrol ne boarding eye dollar akodu 16 eye PDS eye SML eye krono a omo bom no mamu nyi mani mfiri so na mo nkodi nkwasiafo wechi na sansem no ote se omo kan mabo John Mahama di wo mu a eye Ephson Akufo-Addo Gabby mo ene eye story no kura ba akumponim okwase no dwedwemu or say no amount of loose and imagined associations from Ephson and his NPP friends can overturn this immutable fact that Mahama stands vindicated from all their mudsliding or mudslinging. Now, Joyce Bauer say, "Sa story we am beto wa omo ede dada mo no de on person ye ne say omo nim say John Dramani Mahama e bucket ahye ene proya obi anim say ne ho son okọ eye ahomgie mu a ofri presidency nim no obi ni wiase a wotumi de eye kro no ba akumpo ato John Mahama so enti de Joyce Bauer e kan nyina ne say eye ensema endemo tete a omo keka no eye nyome bi a omo pese sebio omo de dada omo mama adwene ya mo se omo nya akromfo na omo ya akromfo ensema omo ka edito edien edito eye Mahama so no ni nyina ye nsem bi omo nim se Mahama eba eye den nipa oko eye proye ne keta hyehye ono nko na tumichi eye no party ni edito efiase John Mahama atena Ghana ha infie wotwe abra ofiri abamu obi antumi fa asam ento John Mahama so enti science ya muti eye Ephson na to semfantefo pa no one Gabby Okyere daako eye de Kojo Kyeremanteng Sammy ukumu ena omoye 442 de omoye no 2015 no eno abi no ma start because omo nim se omo be lose elections no omo nim se omo ni message
you waiting for winning and some of your KT can be jela added to the sama wanted to fire John Dramani Mahama who any no great a JANDAM and none of the homes up to that because Jubilee so and our no say we subscribe ya. Let's just say over subscribe and I like it. Now watch a video not my offer for so any be now what also bet me actually wiping a fire and so we now I will comment boxing in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.